What's up, you guys? This is Kitty Cass, and today we are doing a new box. It is the Supernatural box. I am really excited because this theme is Scoobynatural, which makes me so happy because I loved that episode that they did, well, the collab that they did with Scooby-Doo. Two things I love, Scooby-Doo and Supernatural, so I thought that was pretty amazing. And yeah, I'm really excited to get into this box, so I'll make it real quick. It's $49.99 US. I got a size medium. Without further ado, let's just crack this baby open, as it is a custom. Ooh, I think that's a spoiler card. We're just gonna move that away. Okay, so first thing I see, is this adorable? Looks very chewed dinosaur. Honestly, I do not remember if this was in the episode. I will have to rewatch it, but I think he is adorable, and he's smaller than I thought, which is kind of nice. I see we have a charm, and of course, if you can see, other than the reflection, it's the Scooby-Doo pendant that he has on his collar. There is a clothing item. Oh, I'm excited. Look at this, the Mystery Machine and Baby. I love it. I'm probably gonna wear that all the time, not gonna lie. There is a hat. There is a hat. Scoobynatural. And it has the gang running away up top. I love that. This is adorably amazing. Ooh, I got some socks with pentagrams on it. Always a good choice. Oh, I have a coin with Dean on it. That's pretty cool. It's a Black Friday exclusive. Well, why thank you. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if you can see it. It changes from real Dean to Scooby-Doo Dean. We got some pins, which are really cute. Ooh, there is a pen. Fantastic. And last but not least, we have a plate set. Oh, that's adorable. I am gonna actually open these. I want to see this plate set. Is it bad that I want to eat off them? So we got Scoobynatural, and then we got the Mystery Machine and Baby. That is so cute. I really like these. This box is adorable. And there's like a lot of wearables, which is nice. You get a toque and then socks, and of course the sweater, which is amazing. And yeah, I think that was a pretty cool box. It's completely empty. And yeah, comment down below your favorite item from this box or your favorite episode of Supernatural. I'm curious to see what you guys pick. And yes, my voice is raspy. We're just going to ignore that fact. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect, and I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Bye!
Happy holidays and Merry Christmas, everyone!